Let's know how to use the LED Lights app. First, download the app, then turn on your Bluetooth and connect the LED light. Click on the Earth icon to switch the language mode you want, then you can control your light by app. We can use the app to control the light switch. Turn on and turn off. Before you use the light, let's set the number of the light. Change 100 to 20, then save your set. Now you can use the DIY function. First we set 4 purple light and 3 red light, 6 flashing green light, 3 flashing blue light, 3 light flashing blue, and 1 normal warm white light. You can bookmark your settings. Click Sense, you can change different color scheme. From here, you can change different single color. You can adjust the brightness. It can turn brighter and darker. You can adjust the speed at which the lights flash. It can turn quick and slow down. The double arrow button can be used to adjust the direction of the light change from bottom to top or from top to bottom. This is the first mode of transformation. This is the second mode. This is the third mode. This is the fourth mode. This is the fifth mode. This is the sixth mode. This is the seventh mode. This is the eighth mode. This is the ninth mode. This is the 10th mode. Brightness and speed can be adjusted for each scene. Numerous patterns to suit your various scenes and atmospheres. Click Rhythm, the lights will follow the music to control the flashing speed. Click Timer, time to turn on the light and time to turn off the light. More intelligent and convenient. Even if you're not home, keep your lights on at regular intervals. iClover Smart Christmas Tree LED Light. More features await your discovery.